Everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So yeah, I'm back with more Kroger. I know Thursday is Walmart day, right? But I gotta talk about Kroger some more because Kroger is just crazy right now with deals. We will get to Walmart later on today, but I had to come on here with this deal that a subscriber commented. I so appreciate her commenting. Her channel name is Kaylee Parent. And I really appreciate her letting me know because I would have never even saw this. Ironically, I checked the price on Tuesday to see what it was. It was up to the full price of $3.49. So I just didn't even think to look at it on Wednesday when the new sale started. But she let me know that it did go on sale. So here's the breakdown for this deal on what you need to do. The Nivea is $2.49 for the shaving gel. You're going to need to pick up two of them at $2.49. That is $4.98 for two. There is a $2 off of any two Nivea Men shave product from the 8.5 Smart Source. That'll bring it down to $2.98 for two. Now, as of right now, Ibotta has rebates for $2 back on any one. Picture that rebate. And it has a limit, I believe, of 3. So you'll get the $4 back for buying two. So you're paying $2.98 out of pocket, and you're getting back a $4 Ibotta rebate, which makes it a $1.02 moneymaker. And yesterday, I posted about so many deals right now at Kroger that are under $1. You can take that overage and get something else with it. You can get some, there's lots of stuff you could get at Kroger right now to absorb that overage. It is crazy. It is crazy. And there's also that new Ibotta bonus right now that would count. It was for me to 10 rebates, get back $3. So this counts towards that. And along with all the other Ibotta deals at Kroger right now, you totally can do this. This is not Nivea shave gel. I just want to throw in this little bonus deal if you're trying to hit your Ibotta rebates. The flavor ice is $1.49. There are two different rebates. There's a 75-cent rebate and a 50-cent rebate, both double dipping on this. So it ends up making your final price for this 24 cents, which is a crazy, crazy awesome deal, and it counts for two Ibotta rebates for your bonus. If you haven't yet, you need to sign up for Ibotta to do these deals and many other deals. Most of the deals I post, honestly, the majority of them require Ibotta. So you need to get this app if you don't already have it. I would appreciate it if you use my referral code, but it doesn't only help me, it also helps you. Carissa commented the other day that you're currently getting, I thought it was only $5, you're actually getting $10 back when you sign up for an Ibotta referral. I'm with the Ibotta referral link. So if you sign up, you'll get $10 on top of the $4 you're getting for the Nivea. So talk about a moneymaker deal right there on the Nivea shaving cream at Kroger. So please use my referral code. It is AYJJJR. Yes, when you use the code, it also benefits me, but it benefits you even more. So please use that code. Also, sign up for Fetch Rewards if you have it. Fetch is another good app. You get points for scanning your receipts or buying certain products. I don't know if you'll get a ton of points on this, but lots of the other items that are included in the mega event, like the swab, the Orida fries, and so many items in the mega event are included with Fetch Rewards. So use my Fetch code. It is C1PNA. It really helps me out when you do that. A lot of you have signed up for Fetch under my codes. I really, really appreciate that. Yeah, that is that. Awesome deal. Thank you, Kaylee, for sharing it with us. Check out these other Kroger videos if you haven't already. And I do promise Walmart is on the way. We will be talking about something other than Kroger eventually. But Kroger's kind of just overtaken everything right now. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching.